Please subscribe, like, comment and share.
Hello YouTube viewers, welcome to Richard Pro. On today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a snake game with Notepad on your computer. So first of all, you open Notepad, but you can open your Notepad by selecting it on your start menu, or you can use the shortcut key Windows plus R, then type in Notepad and hit enter to open Notepad. So after opening your Notepad, you type in these code lines. I also dropped the link to download these code lines. After that, save the text as anything you like /bash extension. Don't forget to select all files before saving it.
So now you can run your script to enjoy your sneaky game. Please subscribe, like, comment and share.